Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, May 13th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's get into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. So since the halving, Bitcoin has been staying really consistent. Not much of a change yesterday and not much of a change in the last 24 hours. It is on the upside though. Bitcoin is currently up 1.9% at $8,909. Ethereum up 0.36% at $190.16. Dash up 1.4% at $72.92. And Litecoin completely flat, 0% change in the last 24 hours at $42.28. Join us later today when we go over the top news articles to find out what's happening in the cryptocurrency world. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you later today.